Here's a quick video of how I achieved this very popular knotless box braids with the curly ends. So here's the before. First, I part the hair into 4 sections. This is freshly washed, blow dried hair. So clean 4 sections. I then pre-parted. I know exactly how many box braids I would like to do. And the key here is tucking. Clean parting. Of course, I use the edge control. You can use whatever edge control that's to your liking in order to make clean parts. Remember to brick lay, which means braiding a braid over the box and keeping the braid so that it falls between the parting. Here we have our last braid. This is what it looks like without any product. Of course, we have to trim any flyaways from each braid. Take your time here. And once you use the hot water, it will eliminate most of the frizz. You can use setting lotion for this part, or you can use mousse. Now I prefer to use mousse and work it down through each of the ends. More mousse is applied here. And then we're dipping in boiling water. Here is the finished product. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed. Like and share.